Welcome back, folks. Now let us solve one more problem. Now let's straight jump in. So in this, we are going to use another method and we are going to calculate our total premium. In our previous one, we have sorted the premium amount and now we are going to calculate total premium. Means we are going to calculate the total amount of the premium for all the policies present in this JSON file. Let's create our method. Total premium will be the method, and then it will be a type double, so this will not be a list. So we will have a double which will be of total premium. We are going to call our JSON file, open our stream, open our map, and then what are we going to do is we are going to call our insurance policy and we'll use method reference to get our premium amount. And now what else we need? We need our reduce operator. Here what we need to pass the identity, the initial, which will be double because the premium amount is in double, not a string. And we need to use method reference again to get the sum all our premium, because total premium we need to sum all the values and just simply print the values. That's it. Now let us make it little more readable. Total policy premium. Now let us run our application, clear the logs and fire our API. Perfect. See, we did one sort of silly mistake. We have created our method but we haven't replaced it in our controller. No issues, we will go and do now. See, sometimes we just so excited to solve the problem than to map it. Now just restart our server, clear the logs, call the endpoint, fire the service. Perfect. So total policy premium is okay 425125. Okay, now this is quite a big number and let us see that it is sort of correct or not. So we have 1200 which is around $2,000, and then we have around 450 which is around again 1500, so which will be around 1950, and then 1950 around 2000, around 4 to something like that. Yeah, sort of. Oh, then we have 300. So overall it's correct. So we have our sum, and that's all for now. Thank you.